It's the 24th of March. And I'm up here at Shelbyville Dam. You can see the big dam down there. And got some of my world famous carp bait made up. And we're gonna see can we get a couple of them on camera for you guys. I already caught one, but I didn't get it on camera, so I'm gonna try to get another one on camera for you guys. They're hitting pretty good. Thought they wouldn't be hitting in this cold water, but they are. So I'm gonna try to get one on camera for you guys. Might keep one buffalo if I can catch one. I don't know if the buffalo hitting now. I know some of the guys caught walleye out here. I'm gonna try to get one. I think the water temperature is about 48 degrees. And the air temperature, I think it said it was like 50. But they nibbling on my carp bait. Made it up last week and had it in the refrigerator. So we're gonna see what they're gonna do. Just got a nibble on my pole right then. We're gonna see can we get one. Okay. I think I'm running 8-pound test line, a 6-pound test line on this one. A Shakespeare. And the reel is a Zepco ZSE20. Kind of windy out here today too, but it shouldn't matter. We're fishing on the bottom. Got him, boy. These hooks out of them. It went all the way through it. Oh no, I haven't.
Low power.
Home to the crib. I don't think that, what you call it, open. Got some water here. Alright. That was a nice carp. I'm gonna keep him. Oh, shoot. Wet in my bag. Alright, we got him in the bucket. And stayed into me a carp or a buffalo off my famous bait. That's funny, ain't it? Famous bait. We're gonna see can we get him in. I think this 8-pound test line. Fluorocarbon. Hope it's a buffalo. We've been trying to get us one. I had my telescopic pole out and they broke the line on that one. Gonna tire them out a little bit. Okay. Make sure we got him good on camera. It might be a catch and cook video. This is buffalo. Oh, it's a carp. Oh, Lord. But still might catch and cook. Use some of it for buffalo bait. I mean, use some of it for catfish bait. Oh, come on, boy. Shit. Oof. Excuse me. Okay, still out here in Shelbyville. Got my telescopic pole out, hitting carp. I don't know what a buffalo at, so I just hit one on it. Thought I had it recording, but I didn't. I'm gonna leave it on, let it steady record. So I'm trying to get one on there. I'm only gonna take 3 carp home. I'm gonna smoke them. They might. They hitting real good though. Got my famous bait right here, made up last night. I've been missing a lot of them.
Low power.
Okay guys, I'm about to clean this 25-pound buffalo. It is huge. Down in Shelbyville today. And got this big boy here. And these 2 little carp right here, they about 5 pounds a piece. I'm gonna let y'all see me clean. I'm gonna put this over here. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all how it look. I got the smoker going. Let the smoke And this the buffalo and the carp. Looking pretty good, smoking on that grill. I just wanted y'all to see what I was doing.